Getting your Peloton up and running starts with understanding the essential power components and following the correct connection sequence. Your Peloton power setup consists of three essential components. The main power adapter converts AC wall power to DC power for your bike. The power cord connects the adapter to your wall outlet, and the DC cable links the adapter directly to your Peloton. Your Peloton requires a grounded electrical outlet within reach of the standard 6-foot power cord. If you need more distance, 10-foot extensions are available. The system operates on 100 to 240 volts AC at 50 or 60 hertz, and proper grounding is essential for safety. The connection sequence is critical for safety. Step 1. Connect the DC cable to the power adapter first. This ensures a secure connection before any power is applied to the system. Step 2. Locate the power input port on your Peloton. The power input port is typically found at the rear of the bike's base or on the back of the touchscreen, depending on your model. Step 3. Connect the DC cable to your bike's power input port, then plug the power cord into the grounded wall outlet last. This sequence ensures all connections are secure before power is applied. To power on your Peloton, locate the power button on the back of the touchscreen or base unit. Press and hold the power button for 2 to 3 seconds, then allow 30 to 60 seconds for the system to initialize and boot to the ready state. The power button is typically located on the back of the touchscreen. Once pressed, your Peloton will begin its startup sequence and be ready for your workout. Safety is paramount when setting up your Peloton equipment. The first critical requirement is using a properly grounded 3-prong electrical outlet for all Peloton devices. Using a surge protector is highly recommended, especially in areas with unstable power conditions. A surge protector differs from a basic power strip by providing protection against voltage spikes that could damage your equipment. Proper setup practices ensure optimal performance and safety. Your power adapter requires at least 6 inches of clearance on all sides for adequate airflow and heat dissipation. Proper cable management is essential to prevent tripping hazards and protect your cables from damage. Use cable ties to organize cords, but avoid making them too tight, as this can damage the internal wiring. When troubleshooting power issues, start with the most common problems. Intermittent power issues are often caused by loose connections. Check that all power connections are tight and the adapter is properly positioned. Slow boot times often indicate a degrading power supply that may need replacement. If your Peloton takes longer than usual to start up, this could be a sign of power supply failure. Screen flickering is usually power-related and can often be resolved by verifying proper grounding. Ensure your outlet is properly grounded and all connections are secure. Understanding your Peloton's technical specifications helps ensure proper setup. Most Peloton bikes require 100 to 240 volts AC input and consume 50 to 150 watts during operation. Following these safety guidelines and troubleshooting steps will help ensure your Peloton equipment operates reliably and safely. Remember that proper electrical setup is crucial for both performance and safety.